Welcome back to What's Matter. Today we're going to be looking at maintaining proper clearance around your outdoor units. Now that could be for just an air conditioner, if you got a furnace, or it can be for a heat pump too. It all applies the same way. First thing you want to look out for around clearance around your units is to make sure that you got 2 foot on all sides of it. But you definitely want to maintain good clearance on this side over here that's got the panel on it, because that's where your HVAC technician is going to get in to maintain that, to do maintenance and do repairs. So make sure you got good clearance on that side. You want to get 5 feet on the top. Now, that's a long ways, y'all. It's not really, see how far that is, all right? You want to maintain that much clearance around this unit, because the main thing is to be able to dissipate that heat. The heat that this thing is pulling from outside your house and blowing out, you want to have plenty of space to be able to get rid of that heat. So that's your spacing. Another thing you really want to look out for is maintaining your units, keeping them level. Because over time, these pads, the ground around them will settle, or you'll have erosion around them, and that sucker will start being off level. So spacing is important, but also keeping that outdoor unit good and level will help it operate efficiently. You see around this one, they've kept the grass cut down. Don't have any shrubs. Some shrubs over here behind me, but there's not anything growing right up next to this unit. So they kept the landscaping back. They helped to maintain that space. But why is all that important? Well, you want to make sure you got that clearance so that when this air conditioner is working, it's got space to get rid of that heat. It's got to take the heat that it's collected from inside your house and dump it out here. That's the way the air conditioner works. If it doesn't have a clearance around it, it can't do that efficiently. And if it can't do that efficiently, then you're paying us more money. It's using more energy. So we want to maintain, that's one reason. The other reason is if it can't get rid of that heat's coming back into that unit. That can cause it to short cycle. And that short cycling is going to start wearing out the components of this unit. And the leveling, same reason, all right? You don't want to wear out those components. You don't want it rattling. You don't want it shaking. You don't want the oil in that compressor to be off balance, wearing out that compressor. So all those things are leading to the more efficient operation and more longevity of your equipment. Maintain that space, keep it level. You have an efficient operating system. You're going to keep it running for a long time because you're not wearing it out. Thanks for joining us today for What's Matter, where we talked about maintaining the proper clearance around your units, and make sure to join us next time.